Roots Academy.
Roots Academy.
Roots Academy
is a place where I found my confidence.
It's where I discovered what I'm truly capable of.
It is the reason why I believe in myself.
It's where my creativity became my career.
Roots Academy is more than a school, it's a starting line.
At Roots Academy, passion meets purpose and talent transforms into a thriving career. Based in Potchefstroom, Roots Academy offers hands-on training in hospitality, culinary arts and professional skills development. We go beyond theory, preparing students to confidently step into the working world. Our experienced lecturers don't just teach, they mentor, offering industry insight and personal attention to every step of the way. Whether you see yourself as a top chef, a hotel manager, or a leader in event planning, your journey starts here.